The 2024 Honda Prologue Touring. 3 reasons to choose this one over its competition. Thanks for taking time to watch this video on the 2024 Honda Prologue Touring all-wheel drive. And thanks to Fred Anderson Honda for allowing me to do this video on their behalf. If you have any questions, reach out to me at the number and the links there below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, enter into the question domain right here on YouTube. The first reason to purchase the Prologue over its competition is cargo space. 25.2 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats up, and 57.7 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats down. Now that's a lot of space. Reason number 2 for choosing the 2024 Honda Prologue over its competition is the Panoramic Moonroof. Now this feature is only available on the Touring and the Elite package, but well worth the extra money when purchasing the Prologue, because there are many extra features that come with the Touring and the Elite. Reason number 3 to choose the Honda Prologue over its competition is your ability to extend the charging percentages and the miles of charging and the drive distance with each charge. Honda recommends that in city driving you maximize the charging to only 80%. However, on long distance traveling, you can, according to Honda, increase that to a 100% charge, and your distance increases to 318 miles. And I couldn't resist but to give you a bonus feature enticing you to choose the Honda Prologue over its competition. That bonus feature would extend from the very responsive and intuitive display screen, information center, if you will, which includes the Bose stereo system. And let me tell you, it's well worth it. I'll throw another bonus feature out for you. Amber lighting. My favorite color this month is yellow. The Prologue comes in 3 trim packages: the EX, the Touring, and the Elite package. The EX and the Touring come in front-wheel drive, or they are available in all-wheel drive as well. The Elite is an all-wheel drive only. Front-wheel drive comes with a front motor only, and the all-wheel drive comes with a dual motor in the front and in the rear. So there you have it, my top 3 and a couple bonus features for you on the 2024 Honda Prologue. This here happens to be the Touring all-wheel drive model. Hope you've enjoyed that. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe, and share. We're looking at a great video coming up next week for you. If you have any comments and videos that you would like to see, also put those in there as well. Excited that you're part of this program. Again, this is Terry Hatfield Markham, aka Honda Terry C, coming at you. You have a great week.